Hello, today I will be presenting my prototype that I chose for my project. Some of the awesome apps for teachers to engage students are RazKids, BrainPop Junior, Plickers, and ClassDojo. I will be reading my mission statement and my abstract. The mission statement is that the incorporation of technology reinforces student learning and fosters creativity, collaboration, and communication beyond the classrooms. The abstract. My goal is for students to be engaged in a stimulating academic environment with challenging student-centered experiences that result in creative expression, communication, and meaningful collaboration that will prepare them to excel in a technology-rich global environment. It will also help in the contribution and engagement of parents of different cultures and languages. The first one that I'm going to demonstrate is RazKids. This app is, it could be used on a smart board, smart TV, and iPads. The purpose of this app is for students to be reading at their level. We start with some level stories that start from kindergarten all the way through the 12th grade. I really like this application because it helps in the improvement of reading. Students could also log in from the smart board and read their story at an independent level, or it could also be used as a guided reading. I have my students at a table, and sometimes I use the iPads to read with them, and we read along. It also has a lot of, this app also has a lot of comprehension questions and stuff in order for the teacher to know that they're ready to move on to another level of reading. Going back to my platform, the other one that I really enjoy a lot is BrainPop Junior. This one, I really like to integrate it into my lesson plans. I always try to include a video, since we know that our TEKs are asking for us to do implementation of technology. BrainPop Junior offers videos that are really nice for the students. They really enjoy watching the robot, that's how they call it. And it could be used for all the core subjects like math, science, social studies. It's trying to download, but this application offers also at the end of the video, it offers some questions, and it could be interactive. Students, I call the name of the students, and they stand up and try to answer the questions, and sometimes we do it as a class. And it could also, you could also print the test, and it's leveled as the beginning, middle, and high. So you could also have like an easy grade out of this application. You never download it, but if you go, you could go back to my website and check it out. The third one that I really enjoy is called Plickers. This one, it's I'm going to show you a picture of how I used it in my classroom. Here's my classroom, and as you can notice, the students have a card, and it has the option of A, B, C, and D, and they answer the question. The only thing on this one is that you have to create your own questions. Let me go back. You create your own questions, but it could be used in any grade subject. I'm going to show you here. I use this one for my math lesson, and I did AB. Since they are first graders, I tried to do it a little bit easier for them. Only 2 choices, and then they have to answer the questions, and with your iPad you have to scan all the barcodes, and when you're scanning through your iPad, you could notice the students who are not getting the answer right, and you could go back and answer any misleading in things that the students didn't learn or they learned. Going back to my prototype, the fourth one that it's really nice is Class Dojo. On Class Dojo, I have communication with my parents. The nice thing about Class Dojo is that it could be changed into the language that the parents, their first language. Since I'm a bilingual teacher, I have a lot of students that come from different languages. And this is really nice because I post pictures of what we're doing throughout the day. And parents that do not know English, they go back and change it into their own language. And I really like it because I like to post pictures of what we're doing throughout the day. I could send them private messages asking questions about stuff that I have or concerns that I have for each student. And the best thing about it is that I could give Class Dojo points, and this is as a reward for good behavior. Students who take their homework, and then whenever they have certain points, they go to the treasure box. I really encourage you to, if you haven't used Class Dojo, for you to go back and check it out. It's a really nice app. So these are the 4 apps that I have used. Some of the iPads that some of the apps that I have used. Thank you for watching.